only come out at around her face inward, so that it's far more dangerous to our environment, and that is plastic. Now, somehow during our show, the stage tends to get really, really dirty with all this plastic waste, and Diwali's really good at helping me clean it up. So, she's going to show you just how she would use that beak, and she crunches down on those plastic water bottles. Good job, Diwali. Now, it's really important that Diwali is so helpful to us, because here at the zoo, unfortunately, a lot of improperly sorted trash means that waste is going to landfills instead. Now, because Raquel is a scavenger, she likes to search for dead and rotting things to eat, and she will come. You might notice about a cow, when she comes down and you get a nice close look, is that her head is bald. And that is because she likes to stick her head entirely inside carcasses. Now, if she had feathers on her head, they would get all covered in blood and guts and things like that. So having a nice bald head means that she's not going to get that buildup of bacteria on her head. So, what Secretary birds like Katani like to do is they like to run and stomp on their prey to kill it. There you go. Now, Katani can actually stomp around in a group of about 5 hawks led by Mom, and she makes sure that everybody works together and that they all get their fair share of food. Now, the second issue that Harris Hawks face is that it's very... And so, you'll see on Django, is that his feathers go only about halfway down his leg. So this is basically the fur equivalent of wearing shorts on a really hot summer day. So all that extra body heat that Django has can escape through his legs and feet.
You really do.
Now, there is a third. Comes. Amazing. Good. Can we have a round of applause? If that's okay with you guys, I'm just going to come into the audience a little bit. And you guys can see Blue up close. And what you'll notice is that he's... Good job, Blue. Now, it's estimated that before people lived in this area, there were around 200 active breeding pairs. But unfortunately, by the year 1980, that number had dropped to 3. And in that year, not a single chick was hatched. Now, this was largely due to a pesticide called DDT that was being sprayed into the environment, and it was causing eagles to lay eggs with shells that were really thin, and they would break before they could hatch. Now, luckily though, people did notice that bald eagle populations were going down, and so they did something about it.
Good job, Molly.
Okay, go. Go, Jay.
Good job.